and welcome back to the channel. I'm Liesel from VA Wonder. Today I'm sharing a Canva update that's an absolute game changer. You can now change the color of almost anything in Canva, even graphics that used to be locked as well as photos. Whether you're rebranding, creating client content, or just want more control over your designs, this new feature is going to save you so much time and open up a whole new world of creative options. If you enjoy Canva tutorials, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Sign into Canva and open your design, then go to Elements and then search for a graphic. In this case, I've searched for a telephone and I found this fun vintage telephone. Now, when you click on it, you will see that the color option to change it is now appearing at the top, and this was not the case before. So when you click on it, you can just choose a different color and it will automatically change it for you. So this is really a lot of fun. Now let's try it with a photograph. So I will go to Elements again. I've searched some photographs. I want to try this nice beach sunset photograph. And as soon as I click onto this, you can see that these color options will appear and it gives me 4 options to change. So let's play around. Let's go and make the purple a little bit more gold and the pink maybe a bit more orange. And so you can play around until you've got the exact color sequence that you like. I find this quite fascinating and super fast. Let me show you one more quick tip. I've chosen this fun phone graphic, and here at the top you can see it gives me 4 options to change the color. But I'm not going to click on any of those buttons. I'm going to go to brand. I've got my brand colors updated here. And now when I give it one click, it will update this image and the background with my brand colors. And every time when I click on it again, it will actually give me a different combination of my brand colors. Should you have a one color image that you can't update to the perfect color that you would like to have with this method in Canva, no problem. Check out this video next. And that's it. Super easy, right? This new Canva update is such a powerful tool, especially if you're a content creator who needs to work fast and stay on brand. Let me know in the comments how you'll use this feature in your next project. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials and BA tips, and share this with fellow creatives who need to see it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.